Morning guys, happy Thursday. It's Thursday morning. I already had breakfast and kind of cleaned up a little bit. Now I'm getting ready to do a little workout. I'm gonna do Claudia Sulewski's new full body workout. So I'm gonna move this table out of the way and do this. I think it's like, yeah, it's like 15 minutes. And then I might do, I guess I was gonna do legs today, but I just wanna try this. Okay guys, I'm ready for the store. I have my big scarf on because I can't find my bandana anywhere to save my life. So, big scarf it is, sunglasses, hair up because I heard that it can get in your hair. But good thing I'm gonna come home and shower. I need to grab my gloves, my creepy little black gloves. I'm gonna go to the store. I didn't want to have to go more than once this week, but again, we need water. That's kind of a necessity. I don't really want to drink the tap water because it's not like, no. So until we get our Brita, we have to keep buying water and we're out, so. And my coffee to go because I was like, oh shoot, I need to have coffee or else I'm gonna get a headache. It's still really bad. It's still the Dunkin' Donuts kind. I don't know if I said that yesterday, but it's awful. I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna leave my camera here because obviously like you want to get in, get out as fast as possible. And I'll be back. Hi guys, long time no see. I'm obviously home, just showered, got dressed. I don't even think we can call it getting dressed anymore because it's sweatpants and a different shirt every day. So I got stuff from Walmart. I need to like wipe that stuff down with warm water and soap. And then I need to have lunch because I'm starving. So I might have a little bit of fruit right this second because I'm so hungry. Also, I was appalled at how many people were not wearing gloves or masks or either at Walmart. Like, my friend's mom posted about this on Facebook yesterday, and then I was looking around and I was like, no one was wearing them. Like, it's not only for you, it's for other people. I don't know. But I'm gonna put this stuff away and have lunch. Then maybe you'll put like a little something on my face because looking sister is scary. Okay, so I was gonna like start either working on the office, doing coursework, editing vlogs, starting something else I'm thinking of starting. And then I opened TikTok and I found this one dance and I'm now determined to learn it. So I think this is gonna be my afternoon activity. That's how I want to spend my time right now. And it's fun, so I'm gonna do it. And then I'll probably get ready and like put on a little bit of makeup so I can actually film it. But I'm gonna learn this right now. Okay, I put it in Snapchat to slow it down. I don't know when it starts though. Okay, here we go. First try. Oh God. So I'm up in the bathroom because I have a mirror up here. It's the only mirror in the whole house. And this is exhausting. This is like really hard. And I also have like no space to actually do it, which is why we need a mirror. But it's not just this one. But I'm like out of breath. This is cardio for the day for sure. I've made the executive decision to table this for now because it is very hard. And I'm sweating. Oh, and Dylan's home for lunch. He's gonna be like, what are you doing? Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time before he gets in here. Hey guys, it's been a little bit. It's 2:20. Wow, it feels like it's like 4 p.m. I gave up on the TikTok. I'll probably go back to it at some point, but I decided that I want to make pre-made crafts because I'm a nanny, obviously, and well, maybe that's not obvious if you don't know that, but I always do like crafts with the kids, and like a lot of these preschoolers are at home and like their parents don't have time to like make crafts for them. So I'm gonna make a few and then maybe just drop them off like in their mailboxes, like the people I nanny for, and see if they like them, and then I can make them more. But I just feel like it's something I can do to help. I mean, it's like a little thing, but I just feel like parents still have to work. They don't have time to make these crafts for their kids, and it's something that the kids can do and like give the parents time to like cook dinner or like get some work done. So I don't know, I just thought it was a fun idea. It's something for me to do while I watch TV, so I'm gonna do that. But first I'm gonna have a snack because I'm starving again. I'm like hungry all day long. Okay guys, so I have all my supplies here. So I'm thinking, if this will load, is doing like stuff like this. Like I can cut up all these little pieces and then they can make like robots and stuff, or like this one's like a little city. They have an ice cream cone one. They have a cupcake one. That's really where I got the idea. And so I'm gonna put them all in little baggies and write like directions. That was our grocery list, and write little directions. And then, yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's a bit later now, but I just wanted to show you my progress. So I made a little note including like what this is about. And so I have the candles, the frosting, the sprinkles, and the bottoms. And then the only thing I need is I'm gonna get poster paper from my parents' house tomorrow and make like the base part where you like glue everything to, and make like a sample. And then I'll put the note in with it, and I'm gonna drop it off at their mailbox sometime either this weekend or next week. So I just thought this was a cute little idea, and I'm gonna do other ones if they like them, but I want to see if this is something that little girl that I watch would like, and if it is, then I'll make more. Alright guys, I'm going to start dinner. So I just laid out all of my ingredients. I have my jalapeno. I have a little bit leftover green pepper, so I'm just gonna throw in there. I have a leftover red onion. I need this red pepper. We have our cauliflower, our instant rice. I was supposed to get brown rice, but this is literally all they had. Black beans, corn, taco seasoning. I need olive oil. And I don't know what else I need, but I'm gonna start chopping. I need to chop this and get to work. Oh no, is it like going bad? Hope not. But yeah, I'm gonna start chopping, maybe pour a glass of wine. Yeah. Okay guys, I decided to go with a Skinny Marg instead, and this is just all that I had left. But I'm adding a little lime because last time I had it, it like really needed lime. Okay, I put more in. Yeah, that's better. Definitely not like when you go to get one, but. Alright guys, I've been really caught up cooking and making a mess. But right now I cooked the instant rice. I have this going right now, so I'm gonna add the rice and the beans and the corn to this. The cauliflower is in the oven. Alright, it's all starting to come together. I have bowls, I have limes to put on top. This is looking a lot more appetizing. And then the cauliflower is almost done. It has 4 more minutes. Also, I need to get, I got this to go on top. You're supposed to make your own cilantro ranch, but I got cilantro avocado yogurt dressing, so hopefully that's good. I didn't get any like salad greens to put it on. I kind of forgot a lot of stuff, but I think this will be good. It'll be like a little burrito bowl. We do have chips and guac if we want to do that too. Okay, final product. It's so dark over here. I have mine. I haven't put any salsa or anything on it yet. Dylan put salsa and guac. We got salsa, we got chips. It's like we're eating out.
Yeah.
Virtual Friday.
Woo!
Hi guys, I almost forgot to end the vlog, so I'm gonna end it here. hope you guys liked today's vlog. I've just been laying on the couch watching TikToks, don't playing video games. And I'll see you tomorrow. Like and subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole with J's and 2E's. Follow me on TikTok at Mariah MacDonald 8. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.